heard that you can use banana to achieve long and healthy hair? Well, if you have heard that, that is true. Hello beautiful, my name is Wurola. If you are new here, not my YouTube channel, welcome. On this channel of mine, I blog about everything hair and skincare. So if you are interested in anything hair and skincare, click the subscribe button below and join the community. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I love you. I see your comment. I really appreciate it. In this video, we're talking about how to use banana to achieve massive and long hair growth. I'm teaching you guys how to make the treatment step by step and how to apply all over your hair and its benefits. If you have any question about the treatment, put the question down below in the comment section. I will reply all. Thank you. Let's start the video. So guys, we needed some items which are ginger powder, turmeric powder, egg and banana, as you can see in the video. So the first step, guys, is first take your egg and break it into the empty container. This egg was one strong hard egg, did not want to break initially. So you break your egg into the container, then you take your banana, depending on how much your hair is. The more your hair is, the more banana you will need. You slide them into the egg, then you pour it into the blender, and you can take water to rinse like the container and pour the rest into the blender. We are wasting no egg. Then you blend it to give you this form. Looks like a cream. Then you pour inside the empty container back, as you can see. Then take your turmeric powder. If you don't have the powder, you can take the juice. Just blend the juice and pour the juice inside the blended banana. If you have the powder, you can go with the powder. You mix it together. Take your ginger powder, you do the same thing also. You pour it inside the banana and you mix it together. Then your honey, 1 tablespoon or 1 cover spoon is enough. Please, original honey note. Dada, it is ready. Guys, I'll be showing you how to apply the treatment all over your hair. Now, if you want to apply the treatment on your hair, try to wear a cloth that you won't mind it getting stained. Or if you won't mind, try to get like a material. This is satin material that you can use to cover up your body. So that if the treatment fall on you, you won't mind washing it off. So I'll be using a satin material, and this is the clip. How do I look, guys? Okay. So I'll be applying the treatment all over my hair now. This is what it looks like. It smells good actually, but it's not for eating, it's for your hair. It's the hair. You just have to apply the treatment all over your hair. Now I'll be putting it in my hair in sections. Let's start from the back section. Focus more on the ends of your hair. Those are the oldest. When you are done, you braid it up. If you have any question for me, guys, put in the comment section. As you can see, I'm trying to braid my hair, but I'm not getting it. But I'm trying. I did not give up. I keep trying. Just apply it all over your hair and braid your head up or twist it. Yeah, twisting it is. Or twist. Whichever one you prefer. Then, guys, what you just did here, you apply all over the sections in your hair. So this is me applying it all over my hair. Please, guys, focus on the end of your hair. They are the holders. Apply it all over the end of your hair. Apply it properly all over your hair. Don't miss any part. Banana must enter every part of the hair. Every hair must be banalized. So apply it all over. Keep doing it. Don't give up. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. Apply it very well. Focus on the ends of your hair. You are almost done. You are almost done. Dada. Your edges also. Dada. You are done. So guys, this is my hair after 30 minutes. This is what it looks like. It's still wet, which is actually good. So I can easily wash it off. So guys, I'm washing the treatment of my hair with my homemade growth shampoo. To not make this homemade growth shampoo, link is below in the description box. This shampoo really grew my hair from October to November. So check that video out now to grow your hair with your own homemade shampoo with no chemical and side effects.
Mhm.